So Gareth's taking his first drive on the M3. Cruising down the A14 at the moment. What do you think, Gareth?
Yes, incredible car.
It's got a bit of poke to it. Poking out 510 brake horsepower at the moment. Got a frequency intelligent exhaust system, tuned by GAD tuning. Pretty incredible all-round beast this. Gareth hasn't actually driven it before. I've had it about a month now, probably just over a month. So yeah, I finally got Gareth on the insurance. He's taking it out for a spin. Gareth's got the day off today, so yeah, we'll just see how we get on. See where the road takes us. We're gonna stop off, do some actual. So we're currently cruising around like a couple of hooligans, making some noise. Gareth's in the driving seat. If he doesn't get pulled over, then I'll have a go. We're going to make as much noise as we can, get some reactions.
I think there's been a noise complaint.
Right guys, listen to this exhaust sound through the tunnel here. It's not really a tunnel, it's more like an A14 underpass, but this sounds absolutely epic. Got a mini holding us up, so I do apologise about that. I'm going to drop down to second gear, rev. Listen to that. Tell me that doesn't sound good, guys. I'll do this. Right, so if you haven't already heard, this frequency intelligent exhaust system is absolutely incredible. Perfect exhaust noise that you can get, and definitely one of the best sounding M3s that I've ever heard.